Yeah,
Yeah,
Rahul,
I will share you the
can you
screen,
listen to
okay?
me now?
Yes, I can. There was some issue with my headphones. That's why. Sorry, guys. I will start again, okay? Wait a minute. Can you please mute yourself? You,
Rahul, no have any admin here to stop like this noisings or anything.
yeah, I'm trying, but it's unable to mute him. That's why. Or else I have to kick them out. Okay, guys. Wait a minute.
Plus, your screen is not showing.
Yeah, wait a minute, please. So, guys, is it visible now?
Still not starting. Now is visible.
Am
Yes,
I audible
now
now, right?
is
Yes,
visible.
sir, it is visible. Yes, sir, you are audible plus visible.
Okay, thank you. Please mute yourself. So, guys, let's start. Okay. So, today we are going to install our Fortigate firewall in VMware. VMware Workstation EVNG, right? We will use an emulated environment called EVNG to install our firewall. Okay. So I hope everyone should have installed their EVNG, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir, I have installed. Sir, I have one request
Your voice is breaking.
that
Can
I
you please
want
chat? Hello.
recording.
Your voice is breaking. Can you please drop your message?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to go outside immediately to the hospital. Can I please
Pihu, your
Guys, Let me demonstrate you the process and then we can start. Okay. So to install Fortigate firewall into EVNG, what we will do is over here, we will establish our connection so that we are able to access the data storage of EVNG, which is this emulated environment, right? We have to copy paste our images on EVNG data storage. So we can do is we can we can use WinSCP. We can click on create new tab and then we can start a new connection by clicking on new site. So our IP address is 192.168.1.166. Over here, the default password of EVNG is root and default username is root and the password is Eve. So as you can see, here we get the access of data storage of EVNG. So let me guide you through the location where we will install the image or we will paste it. First, we will go to OPT, Unit Lab, add-ons, and over here we will go to Chemo, where we will paste our Fortigate OS, right? So here we will add a new directory. We will name it Fortinet hyphen 7.0. So please make sure when you're renaming, everything should be in small letters. After hyphen, you must enter your version name and there should be no extra space in it. Okay. So we have successfully created our folder. Now we have to paste our image. So this is the image that I've sent you over the link. I've extracted it over here. So I will copy it over here. Let's wait until it's get pasted. Have anyone worked with Fortigate before over here? Great. So here, as you can see, our file is here pasted. Okay. So what we have to do over here is in EVNG, there is a file convention name for every single images. So for Cisco images, for Fortigate firewalls, Palo Alto, and any other images, right? What we will do is we will go to our browser. We will go to EVNG website. So it is basically called as KMO image naming. Here, as you can see, Fortigate firewall, right? So the left side is folder name of the KMO file, and right side, this is the QCOW image name, KMO image name, basically. So over here, we have to rename the image as per this. So we have already did rename the folder name to Fortinet. So this is the file name that we have to rename, which is Virtua. So we will head towards WinSCP. We'll right click, rename Virtua. This is the file name which EVNG knows, or it uses this image name to fetch the data. Okay, so let's move to EVNG. So over here in EVNG, when you start a new project and you right click on node, here you will see that we have added Cisco IOL, which is basically our router and switch, which I will also show you how to install. And this is our Fortigate Fortinet, right? Let's first see how to install the images of router and switches. I've sent your folder name IOL, right? We have to install, just copy paste that images in IOL and bin. Okay, IOL bin, as you can see over here. So let's move to EVNG. This is our Fortigate firewall. This is our version, the folder name we have written. So over here, you can see the CPU limit, the RAM, Ethernet ports, KMO version, KMO ARC, and KMO NIC. So basically, we don't need to touch these settings. We just have to use these settings, RAM and CPU. Okay, so save. So as you can see, this is our Fortinet firewall image. Let's click and start. Okay, now let's open it by single click. There's some issue with the browser, I think. Let's open it over here. Control C. So as you can see, we are able to open it in this browser. Okay, so to get the console, I've installed Putty, which we basically use to take consoles of our devices, physically or virtually. Both are supported. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is eVenj is doing SSH with the help of Putty. Okay, so the username will be admin and the password will be blank. So just enter on the password and now enter a new password. So basically I'm going to use here is 1 2 3 1 2 3. Confirm your password and you are in. So this is where we will use the CLI of Fortigate Firewall. Okay, so now let's see the process how to access our Fortigate Firewall in GUI. Clear until now, guys? If you have an issue, you can ask. Should I go ahead? Okay. So, yes.
Hi, sir. Can you once just revise the steps, all the steps
Okay. Okay, no
in
worry.
short?
Yes, yes, in short.
Thank you.
What we have to do over here is we have to go to WinSCP. We have to create the okay. So this is the root folder. What we will get when we open EVNG, right? You can go to OPT, GNetLab, add-ons, Chemo. You will enter the file name as per the Chemo convention that I showed you on the EVNG website. We will paste the image under this folder. We will rename the file to Virtua, VIRTIOA. Okay. After we do this, we will head towards our EVNG. What we will do is we will right click, new node, and then over here we will get the Fortigate firewall. Okay. Clear now, guys? Okay, guys. So guys, I forgot one step, which is important. So after installing Fortigate firewall, what we will do is we will move towards our ESXi or VMware, our EVNG CLI. What we have to do is we have to give some fixed permissions so that our EVNG image can work in a better way. So we will go to Eve, we'll go to the CLI, we'll perform this command, opt opt/unetlab /wrappers unl_wrapper. After that, -a space fixed permissions. So it will take a second. It's done. Now let's start our firewall. In today's lecture, we will only see how to install Fortigate. Okay. From tomorrow, we will start about Fortigate. Now you can also start installing. I'm here till 8:30. So if there is any error, let me know. So my password is 123. Let's take the GUI access. After that, you can start your installation process on your systems. So what I will do is I will give an IP address, config system interface. Over here, we can see we can edit our port 1. Edit port 1. Set IP. We can give him 192.168.1.99, for example. Subnet max will be /24. Okay. So here by default, Fortigate has DHCP configuration. So what you have to do is before giving any static ID, static IP, we have to change the mode. To change the mode from DHCP to static, we have to use the command set mode static. Okay. So now we can give our IP address. Set IP 192.168.1.99/24. Okay. Now we will go to show system interface. Enter. So as you can see, we have assigned IP address to port number 1. So basically, we will be using this as management port. Okay. So we have given the IP address 192.168.1.99. It has took 255.255.255.0. Okay. We don't need to write the whole subnet marks in firewall, Fortigate firewall. We just have to add /24 or /16, whatever it is. So to take the GUI access, we need to connect this VM to the internet. So to do that, we have to stop this. We have to stop this. Right click, network. We will here use management cloud, save. Okay. Now we will connect with the port number 1 of Fortigate firewall. As we have assigned the IP address on port number 1, that's why we are connecting with port number 1 on the firewall. Here we will start the firewall. Okay. It is started. Let's go to new tab and enter our IP address 192.168.1.99. The connection timed out. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's see what's happening over here.
क्या हुआ?
System
पैसा अंदर नहीं होता ना?
interface.
काय को? क्या मिला रहे?
So, yes, thanks, Adia. You were right. You haven't enabled HTTP, sorry. So what we will do over here is we will again go to config system interface. We will go to edit port 1. We will set allow access. We have to copy all of this. So what happens over here is when we add set allow access to HTTP, we will be allowed it over there. But from here, all the other allow access permissions will gone. So we have to add that too over here again. Okay, let's check. See over here, as you can see, we are able to access our GUI of Fortigate Firewall, right? Is it clear, everyone? So as you can see over here, we have this dashboard which shows us the licenses. We have our system information. The mode of this firewall is set to NAT by default. Okay, this is the serial number of our Fortigate device, or you can say the VM we have installed.
Hello.
Yes. So this is the status information of all the devices of the firewall. This is the CPU usage, this is the sessions, this is the memory usage, and we can also add other things from here. Okay, so there is wide list of monitoring things we can add, such as fabric devices, Fortigate cloud, network devices such as DHCP, interface bandwidth, IP pool utilization. We can monitor everything from our dashboard. Okay, so here in network, interfaces, you can see that we we have 4 usable ports over here. But what if we have to use port 24? What we have to do is just go to the Eve, right click, stop it. Then we will right click on it. We will edit. We will go over here and we will change it to 8, for example. Okay. And then we will save. And then we will start it again. We can refresh it, right? We have to log in again. So here you can see now we have 8 usable ports. So this is the port 1 we are using for management purpose. With the help of this, we are accessing the GUI of this firewall, right? It also denotes what are the allow access we have given so that we can access it using all these things: HTTPS, SSH, HTTP, and FMG access, right? Currently, we are accessing this via HTTP so that we enabled it earlier. Here, we will see how we can do routing, which is static routes, and it also has advanced routing such as RIP, RIP routing, OSPF, BGP, and all that, right? Here, we will also see how to set up VPN in further lectures. Okay, so now you can start installing from your side and let me know if you have having any issue or difficulty. Okay, I'm here till 8:30. Thank you. Any questions you can ask?
So can you repeat the time for tomorrow's lecture?
It's 7 to 9. Okay, we will have it every Monday to Friday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday will be off.
Okay.
Okay,
Rahul, can you share with me these files?
yes, I
Because
have
I don't have it.
shared the link
Yesterday,
on WhatsApp.
I left the. Okay,
EVNG you
please.
are talking about, right?
Can you share again?
EVNG, right?
Yeah, UNG.
Okay,
Yeah, UNG and this Firewall iOS, both of.
iOS I have sent on WhatsApp. I have shared the OneDrive link.
Can you please share again?
I have did it already on WhatsApp. I think you are on the group.
Yeah, I am in the group.
Okay, so I will forward it again. Okay,
That's why. Can
what I will do
Yeah,
is
please,
I
please do.
will paste that link in the description of the message so that everyone will know. Okay.
Yeah, good.
Okay, I will
Pin
keep
it.
it.
And what about the iOS?
It is in that link. Okay.
Firewall iOS.
Yes, Firewall iOS is
Okay,
available in
okay.
that OneDrive link. I will give you the eVenG link on the chat box
And
in
even
Zoom. Okay.
okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Please.
Okay. I will let my team know that we have to edit this. Right. Wait a
Sir,
minute.
can we have today's recording?
Uh, for your kind attention, for your kind information, the recordings will be provided after this course, after the course ends.
So because in the starting we have missed some session, how to start this configuration and all the thing. That's why.
No, I haven't done any configuration yet. It's about to start. You haven't missed anything.
No, so for that
Okay.
EVNG and VMware.
Okay. Hmm. For EVNG and image installation, you can use YouTube as well. Okay.
It
If
is
there is
available
any,
there.
huh? Yes, everything is available on YouTube. You can try it. You will find solution for it. EVNG is a widely used software. Yes, Kalim, what is the issue you are facing? Let me know so that I can access. I can help you in accessing the GUI. Have you configured the port 1 interface? Have you connected it with the network? Wait a minute. I will share you the images. Okay. Wait a minute. I will be back.
Hi, sir. Can you suggest a good link to what you have done in YouTube?
Hello guys, you can kindly check the group description.
Yes, we created the IOL and
Firewall image is also there in a zip file.
yes, yes,
Okay,
IOL image and
Fortigate firewall, right?
Fortigate. Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
you
And
will get.
can we install on VirtualBox? No issue.
No issue.
No.
eBench is available for many things like ESXi, VirtualBox, VMware. You can
Mm.
install it anywhere as per
Which
your
one is
convenience.
better and suitable? No,
No,
which
it's
one is suitable
uh,
and better for smoothly working?
I will recommend you VMware Workstation. It will be better and smooth. Okay.
VMware workstation.
Yes, VMware Workstation.
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay,
Thank you.
okay, Kalim. You got the geo access, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I think you haven't enabled the HTTP like I did.
Maybe after the configuration is not saved after editing.
Yes. No, it's not like that. Uh, what happens in with set allow access is
Because
when
mhm,
what
mhm.
what happen over there is when we set allow access, we will write HTTP. It will only take HTTP because it was entered afterwards. So if we have to
And
apply
tell
all
me
the
one
things,
thing. If we
okay,
sorry to
no,
cut
no,
you. Sorry to
it's
cut
okay.
you. Tell me one thing. If we are doing the edit in the ports or anything in the firewall, it will be automatically saved, or we need to be some specific command to save it.
No. It's not like Palo Alto that we have to do commit in everything, right?
Yes,
In
yes,
Palo
yes.
Alto, we have to commit for every single thing we enter to save the configurations. But in Firewall, it's not like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay.
In
Yes.
Fortigate, we didn't need this one, right? It's
What?
automatically saved.
Yes. Right. You are right.
If any configuration we are do is automatically saved.
Yes. Automatically save. Yes, Kalim. You can increase the interfaces through evenG. You just have to stop the image of the firewall and then you have to right click, select edit, and there you will find Ethernet so that you can increase the number of ports you want. You can have maximum of 24 ports. Okay. Do it and let me know if it works for you. Is there anyone else installing the image of the firewall?
Hi, sir. Can you show from the beginning, like in a very precise way?
Okay. So you have to watch what I did in the WinSCP thing, right?
No, before that one as well, like how you installed EVNG and Fortinet.
Uh, for that, it takes too much time. I will not be able to demonstrate you
No,
the
you
whole
just have
process
to,
over here.
yeah, just overview how you installed the EVNG
So what you
and
have to
then
do over here
Fortinet.
is you can download VMware Workstation. In that, you will have to create a new virtual machine inside workstation. Okay, you will have to download the ISO file of EVNG from the official website. Okay, you will get community edition, which is free for use.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, after that, what you have
Mm-hmm.
to create, you have to create a new VM, rename it, and then in the settings, in edit VM settings, you have to select the disk. Okay, you have to select the ISO file you just have downloaded from
Mm-hmm.
EVNG website, and then it will start installing it. And then after you install the EVNG, there will be a short process of setting IP address. You can do two things over there. Either you can give the IP address via DHCP, or you can give the IP address statically. So if you don't want to give statically, you can use DHCP every time you need. Okay. After you install, after the EVNG gets successfully installed, what you can do is you can install WinSCP, which is used to transfer files on a network. It is on a net. We are what we can say is we are installing it on a network, right?
WinShip is communicate with VNShip is communicate between the
Yes,
VMware
yes,
and your physical machine. That from there, from your physical machine, copy this file to your VMware machine, and after
yes,
that, the procedure is done.
yes, yes, right. Because we have to access the storage of EVNG, right? So we have to use it. We have to use WinSCP for that. In WinSCP, what we will do is we will enter the IP address that EVNG has selected. If you have selected DHCP, it will elect the IP address on its own. You have to enter the IP address, the username password will be root and eve, and then you have to go to the folder. I will also share the folder names where you have to put the images of IOL and also the KMO images, right? So one more instruction over here. EVNG have evaluation license for 15 days, right? So you can, what you can do is you can head to the CLI of Eve, you can head to the CLI of Fortigate, and you just have to do, wait, let me show you. Okay, we are in show system status. Sorry, it's not show system status. It's factory. It's execute factory reset to and press enter. And then yes. So what will happen over here is your evaluation license will again will be valid for 15 days, but all your configurations will stay at the same place. You just have to enter when it reboots, you just have to create a new password, admin, and then you can get all the pre-configuration that you have saved in it. Let me show you how it does. Okay. Yes, Kalim, you're right. So I will set a new password. Okay. Let's check. Let's check our interface. As you can see over here, our configuration is intact. We can access it, and if you have done any configuration in the firewall, like you say ports and anything else, it will also be saved. So here you can see in network interfaces, right? The latest versions of Fortigate are like 7.4.2, but they have an evaluations license which works for lifetime. But they have many limitations on the firewall VM image. For example, the limitations are you can only use 3 ports at a time. Why I'm using this is because I have to show you routing protocols and all that stuff. So I need more ports in use so that I can will I will be able to easily let you understand all the stuffs via lab, right? On that device, it will be very hard for me to introduce all these things to you. That's why I'm using this evaluation license. Okay. I have 7.2 version also, which works basically like this only 7.0. I will also share it with you. And from like next lecture, we will also be using the same. The installation process is same. You can install that too. Okay. I will share it with you by
Sir,
tomorrow.
can you show me that WinSCP and renaming the file? Can you show that
Yes, yes, yes,
configuration
James.
once?
Yes, yes, James. See over here, what you have to do is you have to go to this folder name, right? Which is OPT UnitLab add-ons KMove. I will share this in the chat box. Okay. So you have to paste the firewall over here. You have to create a directory named Fortinet 7.0, which is basically the version. Inside, you will have a file like this, 40OS. When you copy it over here, you have to rename it to Virtua. And you can refresh from here, and then you can go to eBenji. Just refresh it over here, and then you will be able to see the Fortinet image over here, right? If you have not renamed it or you haven't installed the image properly, it will be grayed out like this. It has nothing over here, right? Okay, James, I think you have understood.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, 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 thank you.
Do you have any such a link in YouTube? Where you the same method you have done?
Yes, you will find it on YouTube, right? Let's see.
Yeah, can you give me that link?
Wait a minute. Let's head towards YouTube.
Thank you.
You can use this video. Okay. It has the same process.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Then let's end our session over here. Thank you guys. Let's meet tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Rahul.
Welcome.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank
Welcome.
you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Rahul.
Welcome.
Thank you.